When looking to buy in the market, you are looking to get involved on the next move up, also known as the resistance point. So if you look at the chart, you have your first resistance point, your first support point, your second resistance point, and what comes next? Your second support point, right? So as a new trader, it is a great idea to draw out your support and resistance points. In order to do so, you will go to TradingView and use the trend line tool and draw out the points. This will help you to identify structure of the market, and it also helps you find your second resistance point to trade bullish. After that, you will be looking to mark up your kill zone. So the kill zone, if you look at it right there in blue, is measured from the first resistance point to your first support point. So the first resistance point is going to be complete at the top of the kill zone or somewhere within the kill zone. One of the two. So a trader looking to buy will look to see when the first support point is complete. In order to know when the move is about to be complete, you must know when the reversal is going to happen and when the next move up will occur. But when you're looking to sell, you're going to do the same analysis as you did when you're looking to buy. The difference between bullish and bearish is, during the bearish trend, you will be looking at the pullback. It's highlighted there in orange, which also means that you have involved yourself in a move short instead of looking for the next move up. So during this time, you should be looking to take profit, or you wait for the next opportunity to go short. Although the examples that I'm giving you are clear, the markets will never look this way in real time because there is no true trend. The markets is based on how you view the market, which is why you should always have a process.